thanks for showing an interest in becoming a DroningON channel member. Since starting in around 2017, DroningON has very quickly established itself very well in the drone community, and now this gives you an opportunity to be part of it as a DroningON ambassador. You can become a DroningON channel member for as little as $2 a month, and with that you get a number of exciting benefits. So let's talk about those now. So the first one is that on this channel, you'll only ever see the content that's published. As a member, you'll get access to exclusive behind-the-scenes content, including studio tours, tutorials, and exclusive ad hoc live sessions as well. And that includes editing. So for example, watching how I edit my drone footage live. Nobody else will see this content, only members have access to it. The DroningON Fileshare is our online storage of lots of raw footage and clips from all of the products that we review. So for example, if we review a brand new drone, we pull the footage straight from the SD card, upload it to the DroningON Share, and it's then yours to download. Quite often when you see footage on YouTube, it's going through the horrible YouTube compression. This gives you an opportunity to download the clips raw and play with them as you wish. Now this is an exciting one, a monthly video meetup of all of our members. It gives us all a chance to talk, banter, discuss, and also meet the other members of our community. We can showcase what we've been flying, where we've been flying, and what we've been doing, talk about tips, tricks, but anyway, this is a real opportunity to be part of the community truly and to meet new friends. You'll also get live stream moderator rights. So if you are a member, you'll be able to keep the trolls away and mute the annoying people with that extra power on YouTube. You'll also be shown as a moderator by having your name in blue, and that makes you stand out in your comments. We're always looking for people to interview, and not only is this a great opportunity to boost your own YouTube content, views and subscribers, but it's also a way to share and get out there what you're doing yourself. One of our perks includes being an interviewee, which gives you that exact opportunity to be a star on DroningON and to help boost and market your own channel. We've got our own dedicated DroningON Discord channel, so you can chat, share and discuss ad hoc whenever you feel like it. Only channel members are on that Discord channel, and therefore it's very exclusive. I'm constantly thinking about other exciting and innovative new perks to add, so even if you're a member now, there'll be more to come. So don't delay, get signed up now, become part of the DroningON community, and thank you everybody for your support in advance.